So we continue here because in the previous lesson we explained how we can include both VRAY and Redshift in the same Houdini version, but after that my computer crashed, so I'll continue from here. So I'll start with VRAY first. I'll create a sun. So here is a sun. Let's move it a little bit up and rotate, and I will create a camera. Let's take this angle. Okay, and make it wider, like 24 lens. Something quick like that. Okay, so let's fire the IBR. And I need to choose the camera. Where is the out? So this is VRAY. The camera should be here, and IBR. Building the tree. It's taking time. Usually it's faster, just give it a second. Because I think the reason I need to build the scene first, because I don't think VRAY is supporting lift anim yet. Let's go by here. Let's try again. I'll just make it JO. I must convert to polygon. Let's see now. Save this one and merge it here. Let's have a look. I would a box for now, just to test out. There's a box. Maybe the lighting is not enough. What is the IPR? Size. Because it's here. New scene. Discard. Let's go with something simple. This is a box, a grid, and a VRAY sun. Where is that sun? Yeah, I think it didn't load properly the first time. Now here, if I put the IPR, yeah, a camera, yeah. So it didn't load properly in the first place. So that's why, because I remember I'm putting it like 0.2, something like that. Smaller. So I rotate. Cool thing also I found in the material palette. Let me close this one. Go down. We should have Redshift. I think I'm missing my VRAY. My VRAY material library. Let's find out. Preference rendering. Where is my rendering key? I forget. Yeah, I found it. It's preference rendering. I need to highlight both of them. Accept. So when you do it, just go up here and close all of this. So these are the mantra and karma nodes, and here is the VRAY. So as you can see, let's choose this one for this and concrete for this. So you have a load of material. Cool. So let's fire up the IBR again to the material. No, it will be in the shop, not in the shop. Where it will be? To find out, I go to the grid, render. Material palette. Did I even select? So this one will go here. Okay. I put it here, and this one goes here. Yeah, now it's transparent. Let me choose plastic. This one, yes. So it's already made and ready. Okay, so give it a second. That's cool. Let's give it, let's try now Redshift. I'll just remove this material. I will remove the light. And where is Redshift? So this is Redshift. I will add Redshift sun. So this is our sun. Let's go up and file the IBR. Just give it a second or so. And here it is. Maybe I can use some material. So the material Redshift, you can write RS, and we can choose noise. There is a couple of setup that it's already been made also. Architecture, use this one for this. Also down in Redshift here you can choose from material some custom like copper. The copper I will put it here. Let's make the grid bigger. Camera and render view, because their render view is nicer than the play. Sorry. Camera, locate. So eventually this is how we do it. The JSON file are in the previous video, the one before it immediately. Thank you.